Today I'm going to show you how to generate real estate leads for pennies. We're going to be leveraging Facebook ads to generate real estate leads en masse. Understand that I'm going to give you the entire playbook, but also understand that I'm going to go extremely fast. So if you want a more slowed down version of the video that you're going to see today, I invite you to check out this video right here because we're not stopping. So be sure to stay to the end because I have a very special gift for you that you won't want to miss. Hey, it's Jaime. If we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. All right, so let's get started because we don't have too much time. Step number one, create a personal Facebook profile. Now, many of you probably already have this, but that is step number one in case that you don't. And step number two is create a Facebook business page. You absolutely need to have a business page in order to run these types of ads. And once you have your business page, you need a business manager. This business manager is gonna help you create all of your campaigns. It's gonna help you from a liability perspective, and it's also gonna help you be more flexible with your ads. And step number four is connecting your business page to your business manager. You absolutely need to make this connection if you're gonna have any shot at running ads. And once you have your business page connected, you wanna create an ad account. This ad account is one that's created through your business manager and lives connected to your business manager. You absolutely wanna run all of your ads from this new ad account. Now, I understand that we went through all of this incredibly quickly, but I wanted to provide a brief summary of what you needed to do in order to get to this next part. Now, assuming that you have everything in place, like I just mentioned, now it's time to go to your ads manager and create a campaign. Now, of the 11 campaign objectives that you can select, you're gonna go with the lead generation campaign objective. And the reason being is that the lead generation campaign is the easiest campaign to get started with. It allows you to keep the users on Facebook through a lead form that you create right on Facebook. So you don't have to worry about a website, you don't have to worry about landing pages. And once you have your ad campaign selected, you're gonna go straight into the ad set. And it's in the ad set that you select where you want your ad to run geographically, and then 2, who you want your ads to be run to, and then 3, what placements you want your ads to be in. Do you want your ads to run on Facebook? Do you want them to run on Instagram? Do you want them to run on both? Where you want your ads to go. And here, for simplicity's sake, I encourage you to drop a pin in the neighborhood that you market. Now, that's gonna give you a 15-mile radius by default. You can't get any lower than that. That's what it ends up being. And what you absolutely must not miss is the like button right below this video. So go ahead and smash it. So go ahead and leave it like that. And also don't worry about selecting any interest early on. That's something that you absolutely want to split test down the road. You want to introduce the Zillow interest, the Trulia interest, the Homes.com interest, but that's down the road. And then as the placement goes, you're gonna select Facebook and the news feed. Let go of the stories, let go of Instagram for now, just focus on the news feed on Facebook. And once you've done all that, it's time to create your ad. Your ad can have text plus image or text plus videos. Those are the options that you have. So remember, you do need some sort of text, aka the ad copy, and then you can accompany it with a video, an image, or something else that's gonna be visually appealing. And then the ad that you wanna run immediately is the price drop ad. The price drop ad is absolutely crushing it. Although it isn't that long of an ad copy, it is a workhorse that's gonna get you real estate leads for pennies. Now, here's the thing. I understand that homes right now that have a price drop is in scarcity, aka there's not that many of them. So whenever you do have the opportunity of dropping the price on one of your listings, then make sure you run a ton of ad spend to it because you're gonna get a ton of leads in return. Now, once you create your ad, the only thing that's left to create is your lead form. The lead form is what the users are gonna see on their end that gives them the opportunity to give you their name, their email, their phone number, their address, and anything else that you're asking for. And what you absolutely wanna do at this point in time is make sure that you link up your Facebook to your CRM or your email autoresponder. You want to have an automated way to send out emails and send out texts to your leads. And of course, without fail, and I will not be able to stress this enough, you absolutely need to call your leads. There is no way around it. The emails and text are there to support you. They're not there to replace you. You have to make the call in order to make sales.